Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you have a great day when you visit my videos. Today I'm going to make a sweet and crispy milk crepes with spring roll wrapper, which is simple and easy to make every time you crave a sweet snacks at home. And what are we waiting for? Let's get started. I put the full recipe on the description below, so check it out. While the oven is preheating, let's get started on our wrap using spring roll wrapper. I'm using store-bought ones, and I spreaded them one by one carefully because they tend to stick together. They are quite thin and delicate. After that, spread on some butter into the wrap. Using salted butter will give it a nice balance between sweet and savory. If you only have unsalted one on your fridge, just use it and sprinkle a little bit of salt with it. Once the butter spread, sprinkle some granulated sugar. Adjust how much you like, but I recommend not going overboard since we'll be adding another sweet ingredient next. And that's condensed milk. Drizzle it on top. This gives that creamy, rich flavor we love. But again, don't pour too much or it'll get messy when baking. Once all the toppings are in, gently fold the wrappers into a triangle shape. Now for my little twist, I'm adding avocado as a topping. Some of you might find that unusual, but it's a classic combo I grew up with. We used to mash avocado in a mug, mix it with condensed milk and ice. Has anyone else tried that? Let me know in the comments below. Keep repeating the process until you've used up all your spring roll wrappers. Now before baking, pour an oil evenly on your baking tray. If you're using baking paper, just drizzle a tiny bit of oil on top of the wraps. Then bake them for about 5 minutes, just until they turn golden and crisp. When the timer dings, take them out and let them cool for a bit. And that's it. Sweet, crispy, and buttermilk crepes. Done. So simple to make, right? The prep is super easy and you can even bake a batch once and save the rest for later. Enjoy your sweet and crispy milk crepes with spring roll wrappers and let me know in the comments if you try making them. See ya!